Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean, and I'm here with a project share, but I'm really here for y'all's opinion. I need some crafty opinions. I am trying to make a few things and I can't decide how I want to make them, so I want y'all to tell me which one you like best. As you can see, these little Santa Clauses, they're not completely dry yet, but I'm making these, and I've got glitter all over his pink beard. I know it's hard to see with the camera and all, and I got faux fur here and here. Got him some blue bling eyes. But these were actually inspired by Created to Create, who is Ida on YouTube, who is a superb crafter. Her and Tamika of Scrap the World are just way up there, and she really inspired me with these. She made some. Of course, mine are not as good as hers, but I can't decide if I want to do pink beard Santa with glitter and faux fur hat, or if I want to do white fluffy beard. Actually, this is, I'm gonna try something for a minute. I'm gonna try to see if we can pick up a little more bling, but sorry my camera's shaking. I have one of the cheapest holders you can get and it bounces. But anyway, I'm trying to pick up the glitter because this is just very, very glittery. And usually in the lower light, the glitter picks up better. But anyway, this is some fake snow that I put on his beard and then glittered. And I put some faux fur on his hat up here and then glittered it. I hope that's not making y'all dizzy. I'm really sorry. And then I just glittered his mustache, but the faux fur is all over his beard and hair. Now this is the way Created to Create did, but she had a different kind of fake snow. Alright, so this is number 2 Santa. The pink beard is number 1 Santa. And this is going to be number 3 Santa. Now, oh no. Great. Alright, this is number 3 Santa. And what I did, there is a paper that looks like fur, and I used it, and I thought it looked pretty realistic. And all around the edges, now that is actually white iridescent glitter around the edges. It kind of looks pink in the video, but it's white iridescent. And I kind of like this one, but I can't decide, so that's why I'm here to get y'all's opinion. I also wanted to share something with you. I went to Dollar Tree and found this. It is glitter glue ice baby pink, and this stuff is amazing. It is really glittery. Now I took and made this poinsettia. Now on this one I used solid white paper and just painted the glitter on there. So that's solid white paper with the glitter glue I just showed you painted on there. And it's not as dimensional because I shaped the paper then painted it. So when I painted it, it wet the paper and it kind of flattened back out. But these two are a cardstock paper that had a very slight tint of pink on it. But I shaped it after I painted it and it dried. These turned out really, really pretty. I'm really happy with the way these come out. I think they are super cute. So I just wanted to share those with you. And I also have one more question that I want to ask all y'all. Y'all leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Which Santa you like and how you would do it. they're actually on the hat 2 different kinds of faux fur. This right here, this one, well, I don't know if it was still recording or not, but on this one here on the hat, that is actually like quilt batting. And I seen a girl, I can't remember who did it, but she was telling how she did it. She didn't really show, but she said she put glue down and then stuck the batting on it and let it dry and then trimmed it like a beard. And that's what I did with this. So that's one kind, and this one here is just a fake fur fabric that I cut and kind of trimmed. I kind of like the batting better. One more question I want to ask y'all real quick, and then I'll go and leave you alone. I'm making some swans, and this swan here, I wish my lighting was better because this really doesn't do them justice. This one here, I used again the pink glitter that I found at Dollar Tree, and I painted it and put the flowers on it and everything, and I shaped the paper. And I really like the way this came out, but before I did that, I was experimenting and I did this. And I made a white furry swan. What do y'all think? White furry or pink glitter? Oh shoot, my glitter's not dry all the way around the edge. So I stuck my finger in it and I'll have to touch it up. But anyway, what do you think? Pink swan or white furry swan? Pink beard Santa? White fluffy beard? Or white fake fur paper with trimmed in glitter? And faux fur or batting? Which one? Y'all let me know. Comment and let me know what you think. I'm trying to get these ready for some happy mail and possibly a swap. If I get in this swap, I'm going to use the flowers in it. Maybe. So, let me see what happens. Y'all let me know. Help me out. Subscribe, share, and like. Thank you. Y'all have a crafty evening.